So we have set everything out on the table. Brackets, heavy-duty bolts, real easy to follow instructions, screws, caps, and of course the windscreen. So, without further ado, let's get to it. So here she is going to remove the headlight cowl. Now you would think that it would be in two pieces, especially the top part, that's that shiny black, but it actually is one whole piece. Although you can remove the top part, but I haven't been able to find a replacement for it. But anyway, so it's 2 screws on the bottom to remove the whole cowl and 2 screws on the side. Real easy, slides right out. Easy peasy. There you have it. This is what it looks like without the headlight cowl covering. And this is the back base that holds the whole headlight cowl. Kind of a bonnet looking thing on there, but I just kind of wanted to give you guys a full view of what it looks like with it partially on. Here she's using a ratchet to remove the screws, just tightening on the bottom to make sure I'm safe. But when she goes to the top, she realizes that it was easily starting to strip. And that's when things came to a halt in that very moment. A couple of cuss words were thrown out, and well, there you have it. So now we are ready for the assembly. We're starting off here, or she's starting off here, by attaching the first bracket with the screws and the little, not sure what you call that she's got. I think it's a wrench, a metric wrench, tightening it up, but not too tight, because we want to make sure that once we get the left side bracket on, that we'll be able to have a little play, a little bit of movement, so we can visually see, okay, it needs to sit up a little bit higher, it needs to sit a little bit lower. Isn't she cute? With her big smile. So now she's going to go ahead and do the same thing on the left-hand side. As you can see, sometimes these things could be just a little bit tricky, but nothing that a little bit of muscle won't take care of. This is going to be great. I can't wait for you guys to see the finished product. It's going to be worth the wait.
A little finishing touch.
Oh, it fits right over the...
It's just, see, it's just got the little thing on the inside.
Oh, okay.
So it just goes right into the...
Okay, show it to the camera, this
bolt.
one. Okay. Very nice.
So now it looks
Wow,
really,
Libby, you did a great job.
Cool.
Yeah. Okay, there we go. So this is what it looks like now with the Puig, however you pronounce it. I really got to figure out how you say that right. Anyways, with the windscreen on now, I decided that I really wanted the head cowl back on, but figured it wasn't going to work. And after going back and forth and looking up videos and going to my Facebook group, they did say that there was a particular one. It had an item number on there that fit over the head cowl. And when I looked at my invoice, I realized I had ordered the wrong one. Well, my husband said, let me figure it out. And so he did. He put the headlight cowl back on, and now I just love the way it looks. So as soon as my knee heals, I will be on this bike. And of course, testing out my new clutch and brake lever. And I did want to point out, as you can see, I still have the tape here. I'm not taking any chances. I'm going to give it a try the next day or two. And as long as it doesn't move and we feel like everything's okay, then I'm going to go ahead and take the tape off. So far, I'm very happy with the way the bike looks. Okay? Wow, it's too. I am loving my adjustable levers and my windscreen. It is on and I'm enjoying the shit out of it. Woo! Okay, now I don't know where I'm going, but I'm going. Here we go. It's my first time doing an evening ride. Just a real quick one, just to see how this is going to work. Wow, this is really making a difference. Slow it down, honey, slow it down. Sunday night in the fall. Ooh, it's a little bit windy, but this feels great, having this windscreen here. Well, folks, this is where we say goodbye. I hope you enjoyed my little ride. I know I did.